Welcome to GrabGuidance tutorial video. In this video we will guide you how to use dashboard as an expert. First of all, go to grabguidance.com website, click on expert account, enter your registered mobile number, click on login, enter the OTP which you have received on your registered mobile number. Now here you can see your dashboard. You can see how many income you have earned, your monthly earnings. If you want to edit something, you can just scroll down the page, click on the thing which you wanted to edit. Suppose education and experience. I need to add total number of experience and save and exit. So now you can see 6 years experience overall. On the header you will see dashboard. So here it is the dashboard. When you click on sessions, you will see upcoming and past. So right now I don't have any sessions. If I click on reviews, so here you will see if you receive a review from a user. On the right hand side you will see view public profile option. Just click on that. Now here you can see your profile as public. Suppose if any student wanted to have a session with you, they can see your profile like this. So your availability, your pricing, time, it is mentioned here, experiences, your educational qualification, something about yourself, and which classes you can take sessions, reviews. So here it is also mentioned view demo session by experts. So right now I don't have any demo sessions. Now if you want to log out, just click on this drop down arrow